Okay, guys, so to finish up 1.06, if you look at the guided notes all the way down at the bottom, it says you can go through the lap documents and then complete part 2 of your capstone project. What you're going to do today to add on to your capstone is you're going to add your celebrity endorsements. Now, what's really, really important is that the 3 celebrities you choose have some sort of tie to your team city that you can approach and ask them to endorse your team. Now, you have to explain why the celebrities are appropriate for your team. You can't use players from teams in that same league. For example, Chris Paul will not endorse other NBA teams. Cam Newton's not going to endorse other NFL teams. You also have to be careful because we know that certain celebrities are already connected. So like for Chris Rock, who everyone knows is a huge Lakers fan, he's not going to endorse another NBA team. So you have to make sure that your 3 celebrities have ties to your city. They have to have some sort of tie to your city. So you're going to have to research maybe celebrities that were born in that city or people who live in that city and why they would make good endorsers for your product. Then you're going to do another slide and you're going to have 8 items that will be sold with your team's logo or slogan. That means you have to create a logo or slogan. If we go to, how do I do this? And you use the template that I've given you. So you should already have your title slide, the team proposal description, which is just your city name, or team name, city, league, division, and DMA rank. And then the third slide is why did you choose that city? What can that city give to your team? What can the team bring to the city? And who are the stakeholders? You should already have those done. Now you're going to have 3 celebrities with ties to the city to endorse your team. You want your pictures and an explanation for each why they are would be willing to endorse your team. Then you're going to do your team license merchandise. You should have at least 1 item for each. You should have something for men, something for women, something for children, something for pets, and household items. Each item should have a description of the product, a picture or piece of clip art to represent it, and a retail price. See actual professional or college team's website for ideas. So let's look at a couple of examples. If we look at Quincy's example, he found a lot of celebrity endorsements. Now his team was the NBA team. I don't believe that you're going to get Steph Curry or Michael Jordan to back a new NBA team in Charlotte. You probably could get or Cam Newton, Mandy, Ric Flair, possibly Dylan Hart Jr., depending on his loyalties. Emily Maynard. These are all celebrities who are from Charlotte. So some of his would work, some of his wouldn't. So you want to make sure you have at least 3, and that they would be willing to endorse. So like I said, another like Steph Curry and Michael Jordan are probably not going to pull for anybody outside the Charlotte Hornets. Now the next document, let's go to this one. Elijah Wright had team license merchandise. He went ahead and created his logo ahead of time for Dream Chasers. Let me see this. He had men's hoodies, hats, t-shirts. He has prices: women's hoodie, hats, t-shirts, children's hoodie, hats, t-shirts, pets collars, and coffee mugs, travel mugs, phone cases, and team uniforms, of course, jerseys. So he has pictures of his dream chasers. He already had his logo in mind. You may not have that yet, your logo or your slogan, but he did. So that's just totally up to you. And you notice on this one, the logo, he didn't have his logo or whatnot ready. He just listed that. It would be nice to have a picture, so like a pet. I've had students who made collars or leashes, and they put pictures on it of here. The more pictures, the better. Be creative. You can create these things in Paint or online. So you need to have a picture of the products, description of the products, and the retail price. You can go to college teams' websites and see what kind of stuff they have. It'll help you out. So you're adding 2 more slides to your document. Okay? You don't have to upload it again. There will be a handout the sub will give you. I know you're just so brokenhearted that I'm not there. I wish I was. But you need to focus on this. And make sure, don't forget to turn your bell ringers in. Your bell ringer today is a free write, 3 to 5 sentences. So do your bell ringer and work hard with your team on this celebrity endorsement and merchandise. I will talk to y'all Monday.